Today I'll be showing you about the ATI Thrasher 175cc engine. It's got headlights, a nice bumper right here, pretty good shocks, and as we make our way over here, we have kill switch, headlights. I'll show you the headlights. And a tail light, LED tail light, and I can give it a little start for you guys. Sounds pretty nice, and you got your forward, neutral, reverse here. You got your nice foot pegs with a net. Head to the back here. Got a nice muffler with the turn down. We put a license plate on it. Looks pretty good. Here's the air intake. So if you're going in any water or muddy and you don't want to get any water in that air intake. There. So. Nice key ignition over here. When you turn on the key, there's a neutral light and a reverse light. I think that's about it. For this, except one more thing. It is EFI, fuel injected, so always starts right up, as you saw me start it before. And that is about it for my ATI Thrasher 2018 EFI.